So the road is closed for the next 4 weeks because we have our annual Jefferson Salamander migration that's going on. So the Jefferson Salamanders are moving from their overwintering areas, which can be, in between rock fissures or in between air pockets in tree roots, all underneath the frost line. And they are moving up and going across the road in both directions to get to their breeding ponds.
It is King Road that's officially closed from North Service Road in Burlington to Mountain Brow Road in Waterdown. This is the 14th year in a row that we are working on a safe crossing for the Jefferson Salamanders, but it's all happening earlier than usual this year.
Jefferson salamanders are very temperature and weather dependent, and so what they require is temperatures that are around 5 degrees consistently at nighttime, and then precipitation for them to make these mass migrations to those breeding pools. And so what we do when we plan the road closures with the city, and we work with the city of Burlington, Hamilton, and also Halton Police, is they require us to give them 2 weeks notice before this closure. And so we look at the weather, the 14-day forecast. We also do site visits to sort of do our best educated guess on when to close the road. So you're absolutely right. This is the earliest closure that we've had since we started the closures in 2011.
The Jefferson Salamanders are an endangered species, and Conservation Halton says this annual closure has a direct impact on their survival. In addition to avoiding King Road, there are other things we can do to help as well.
So it's really good to let others in your community kind of know what's going on, why this closure is happening, and what these Jefferson salamanders are and what they're doing. Also, if you can, please avoid using the road during this time. Please help animals cross the road, not just salamanders. I mean, we have turtles and other amphibians that are crossing roads now too. And if you can really avoid putting any types of fish into vernal pools. These are just like seasonally wet pools that normally dry out around June. That's ideal because those fish are really detrimental and will eat all of the eggs in the salamanders.
To learn more, visit conservationhalton.ca and search Jefferson Salamander. For Halton News, I'm Jessica Kading.